Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, having a great office space can help you be more productive, and it can also make your day a bit enjoyable. Now, one of the most important features to have in any office is a great office chair. Having the right office chair for you can come with some huge benefits, including better posture, better overall health, and better productivity. Not to mention, you'll want to find one that looks stylish within your office space. Well, today we've done all the research, and we're going to be breaking down some of the best office chairs on the market, and going through some of the benefits and features of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there and do a bit of your own research. Also, if I do happen to find any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I'll drop those down below for you as well. So first up, we have our number one choice for the best overall office chair, and that's the Cherry Tree Executive Office Chair. Now, in terms of specifications, it has a back height of 112 to 122 centimeters, a seat depth of 53 centimeters, it is adjustable, and it does have lumbar support as well as tilt lock. This is definitely a beautiful and stylish option with plenty of customizability to really suit it to your specific needs. It's made from polyurethane leather, and it's great to sink into. As I mentioned, this one does have tons of adjustability. You can adjust things like the seat height, tilt, it does have lumbar support, and overall it's just incredibly comfortable and one that we highly recommend as our number one top choice. By the way, today's sponsor is NordVPN. They're consistently the top choice for staying anonymous online, torrenting safely, and accessing geo-restricted streaming content. You can check out the description for our full review, along with a special discount if you're interested. At number 2, we have the Herman Mirra 2. And this is the best office chair for curing back pain and ensuring perfect posture. Now, for those of you who do struggle with back pain, this is definitely one you'll want to check out. In terms of specifications here, it has a seat height of 40 to 52 centimeters, a seat depth of 41 centimeters, it is adjustable, it has lumbar support, and it does have tilt lock. Now, this is actually a second generation chair, and it actually comes recommended by back surgeons to really improve your posture and your overall back health. There are tons of reviews online that say that those that struggled for years with back pain have had that disappear by using this chair. Now, this one is quite heavy, so you'll want some floor protection if you're on laminate or wood floors, but truly, this one is excellent, and that lumbar support is going to give you a huge relief. It also has great ventilation, which means you're not going to get too warm or sweaty while sitting in this chair. Do note it has a plastic back, which takes a bit of getting used to, especially if you're used to fabric or leather chairs, but truly the benefits of this chair outweigh all of that, and this is definitely an overall fantastic office chair for improving back pain. Next up, we have the Ikea Markus. Now, this is the best budget office chair. Now, it's no surprise that office chairs can be a little on the pricey side, especially if you opt for some of those more elite options. Well, today this is a great budget pick for you, and one that we highly recommend. It does have a seat height of 129 to 140 centimeters, a seat depth of 47 centimeters, it is height adjustable, it does have lumbar support, and it also has tilt lock. It does have a high mesh back with included lumbar support, optional armrest, and an easy height and tilt adjustment. This is definitely a very durable chair, and it can stand hours of use with ease. It's also incredibly stylish and will fit nicely in any office for a nice executive look. Overall, the value for the money here is huge, and even though it may be a budget chair, it certainly doesn't look or feel like one. So again, if you are on a bit of a tight budget, definitely check out the Ikea Markus. Up next, we have the best office chair for long hours, and that's going to be the Sihoo Ergonomic Office Chair. Now, for those of you who are spending tons of time in the office and are using this chair every single day, you owe it to yourself to make sure that you have one that properly supports you and is comfortable overall, as well as being stylish. All of those boxes definitely get ticked with the Sihoo Ergonomic Office Chair. It's incredibly comfortable, it does have a solid mesh backing with lumbar support, and basically every aspect of this chair is adjustable, so you'll be able to customize it to your specific body. Also, the build quality is relatively solid here, which means it'll last you a long time as well, and it's definitely worth the price point. So if you are spending a ton of time sitting in an office chair and you want something incredibly customizable, this is one that we definitely recommend checking out as the best office chair for long hours. Last up, we have a versatile and affordable office chair choice, which is the Argos Home Orion Faux Leather Ergonomic Office Chair. Now, again, this is one that's great for those of you looking for that executive look. It has a seat height of 48 to 57.5 centimeters, a seat depth of 47 centimeters, it is height adjustable, it doesn't have lumbar support, and it doesn't feature tilt lock. That being said, it is very tall and comfortable in the back, and despite its premium look and features, it is very affordable. It's made of a faux leather combined with chrome to give you that classy look, and the tall back on this one definitely ensures that you'll have good support for your back and neck overall. So guys, if you are looking for something that's very versatile and stylish, we highly recommend the Argos Home Orion Faux Leather Ergonomic Office Chair. Anyway guys, if you are in the market for a new office chair, hopefully this video was helpful for you in making the right choice. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there and do a bit of your own research. Also, if I happen to find any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I'll drop those down below for you as well. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below as well. I do love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.